You lost him.
He got away in the dark. I had my hands full with your helmet and lamps, and I'm sorry, sir.
Never mind, lad. 'Twas some enchantment that told the poor hound away from me.
I sure wish you wouldn't talk like that. Now what are you going to do?
On with the quest. I'm going to sit here and ache a while. Then later I will rise up and search some more.
We gotta go find the bees.
Yeah, well, later, lad. Later.
Friends. Honestly, I don't see any reason why you have to act like that.
It's the nature of the species, my dear.
I beg your pardon, ma'am.
Don't stare, child. It isn't polite.
No, ma'am.
No, what? It isn't polite or you won't stare.
You must be explicit, child.
You can talk.
Of course I can talk.
Sagramonte.
Oh, dear. There's that nasty old Sagramonte baying again.
Who's Sagramonte?
I'll tell you as we walk along.
Well, I really think I ought to get home now. My mom told me not to go too far.
Nonsense, my dear. You've reached an age when you should learn.